Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's been a couple of days, only days, maybe weeks, since I last drove the Roxor, and this is a comparison shot. Just take a look. That's a Kubota RTV 900 from 2014, standing face to face with the Roxor. The RTR, the Kubota, kitted as such. It's with the cab and heat. It runs, I would say, it would run about maybe 20,000, more or less. 3-cylinder diesel engine, and you can see compared to the Roxor. This is meant mostly for work. It has a tilt bed, but the Roxor, of course, it's just like a CJ, just that it's licensed for off-road. I haven't had time to play with it the past couple of days, but if you take a look, you see there's quite a little layer of dust and dirt on there. So I will be cleaning it out and taking it for a short ride. I'm missing the one nut over there. Took it out when I was doing some work on the exhaust. But check this out. Since I did the wheels, I just came and parked it. You can see the weight falling from the wheel. Everything is falling on that side too. It's hard to see it, but that weight is off the wheel. Anyways, I don't think I'll be doing 80 miles an hour with this thing anytime soon. You guys can see here. See if I can press it back in place. Oh, it won't stick. Yeah, it's definitely out. Oh man, that's quite heavy. Yeah, I might have to take it back in and see if the guys could balance the wheels later. One thing I found out the hard way is it's covered now, but where you have the nuts, if you use a standard wheel wrench, you're gonna have that bent. So it's good to have one that has the sides are thinner, and that way they can slide in easily without scratching the wheel when you remove the nut. It looks like it might rain here later today, even though the sun is out, but it would be a good day for me to clean out the interior. I have so much junk in there, so I'll clean that out, and then I should be ready to go for a ride. So Roxor also has been posting, I believe since the 7th of September 2021, they've put out a couple of videos out there. So the vibe I get from those videos is that either the new Roxor is already in production or it's very, very close to production. It still doesn't give you an option to spec out a brand new Roxor, but I think that will be opening up here shortly. So that's what I got for you guys. Hopefully I finished the little project I have on this Kubota. I don't know how challenging that's gonna be, but let me show you guys what's going on here. So the axle on this side is gone, the axle shaft. If you look in there, you can see where it's supposed to connect. Let's see. How do I get that shot? It's right there. So the axle is gone, and you can see on this side I have the axle in place. So the plan is to try and see if I can get that replaced today. And if I do that, and I still have a little bit of time, then I'll wash down the Roxor, clean it out, and then take it for a spin. Since I put on these new tires, I haven't even had a ride. You can see everything is still in place, still brand new, as you can see. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and if I do take it out, I will be sure to share the video with you guys.